Bandan Zava Lama Rinpoche, Nagichi Urbimin Shula, Gajan Chimbukone Jason, Kusundo Jengojo, Sado, Kanda Juju, Tunginjidana, Desha, Omrijo, Tendra Tambe, Chuju Chambe, Sirja Nyember, Leva Tamje, and She. 다른 인공 다 사바 시럽지 사바 땡긴지 사바 텔라 근데 소 당보 근데 땡긴지 담치에 계시 자와 신더부터 근데 신내를 때네 신내당 상도니를 때네 두스 다 냠슬랭 거봐 근데 전에 다 노트 시에버리 되네 데이팅 돌아 되네 떠나가면서 다 신더부터 做 신내다 상통을 때네 되네 년도 택바 변다 노트니 택바다 버질 차샤베이나 되네 조 되네 년도 당 되네 랑절기 람나 때네 되네 다 땡긴지 건바 변다 차샤베이나 인도다 버지 천바이나 되네 조 되네 당매 건바 당 되네 다가난 신기 되네 다 메도바 건바나 소바 당 되네 다가난 신기 되네 랑전자 버지 천바이나 되네 덴들 중니 되네 게 된 건바나 소베게 거네 단 도르나 되네 다도 좀 봐. 간사게 다도 따와 당 근데 취지 다도 따와 든지나 소바 근데 시월 제바레스
This afternoon we talked about the learning of the samadhi based upon the development or meditation of the shamatha and that of the development of the vipassana, that all the meditation take birth upon such. And in that we have stressed the importance of very meditation of the sitting or that shamatha meditation. Now generally explaining that each tradition having different way of presenting the very technique of the meditation. For example, the Savakayana, that the meditation is very much aimed towards to understand the selfless nature and that of the meaninglessness of every phenomena. And in the Patyaka Buddha Yana, that it explains again first the idea of the interdependent connections, and with the explanation of the interdependent connection, that not a single thing with the explanation of the 12 interdependent connections, that it gradually, with such understanding or explanation, refines
티치케시다. 근데 덴들 중니세야 간데스가 요르잖아. 근데 당보 마릭바 하고서가 마릭바 세두 근데 다 다든 좀 버스가 요르 마릭바라 때네 근데 가인고 마릭 두제 넘버시 근데 마릭바라 때네 근데 두제라 때네 근데 넘버시바라 때네 tene mingsu shi raba tene mingsu la tene genche chi genche tu da nang genche tu genche jungni tene genche jungni la tene sowa la tene sepa la tene lamba la tene sibas tene sepa la tene kewa ta tene kewa la tene 가시스 다또 안한서 코와라 코술때 되는 덴트 주닉 수도 콜고 요스잖아요. 또 송아래. 되는 다조 주마릭 발라 때네 되는 점지가 된댔잖아요. 콜고 요래. 대손자 인도 되네 Tenzula, then tender kitchen junior gets sudula, some not tani, then tender junior ludo sud dot sidu, then a tambour remake, then a bana gashine gewato, then a remake, then a maripo pato done, then a dog was standorna, tender tenzukombal tene, then a dame get turned over sebatang.
So in the Paticca Buddhayana, that by explaining or giving the explanation of the 12 interdependent connections.
Dami gombe ke tingdula, nyendo tar dami gombe ke tingdul tende juni ke tong.
In the Paticca Buddha tradition, that in addition to the practice of the Savaka system of the selfless, then upon that it explains the 12 interdependent connections and refines one's mind to the emptiness nature. And the 12 interdependent connections, generally the first one being the ignorance, and out of the ignorance then we project or develop the very clinging, grasping to the idea of the existence of self, and out of such that ignorance then the perception or the component arises, and then there's the consciousness, and out of the consciousness the formation of the name and form, and then out of the formation of the name and form the development of all the doors, which is known as the physical consciousness, basically that inner physical consciousness, outer consciousness, which combines at the 12 senses.
That is secure. Then in Nangi, then it make it change and that make now then it's change too. Then it take you change took to do, then it take object truth.
For example, what are those 12 senses? Is that first that the eye consciousness and that of the ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue, which are the 6 physical consciousness or senses.
되게 왕부터 다 괜찮지 make 괜찮지 어 다가서 남시시에 걸어 대값을 된 대값을 시에 남시에 토게 시에 담보 make 왕보 스타트 유니나 왕보 시그러와 된 괜찮게 값을 make 괜찮나 괜찮
So this particular time that it is very much used as a door that experiences the senses, so eye, ear, nose, tongue, and the body, and that of the touch, and the object of what the eye experiences, everything, the form, sound, taste. So together forming as a 12 senses, and then through that the interdependent connection is the feeling, and then there is the there is the grasping, and the last is after feeling there is the craving, and the last is the grasping. And finally the sipa, which is existence, which is also translated many times as the possibility. Out of the existence, then there is the experience of birth, old age, and death. So these are the known as the 12 interdependent connections, which explains the way how we are stuck, confused in the very samsara.
this songs tene bana ta ranjal ke tene tende standard juni ki thende komne tene bana da maripal tene dusen tene tende yungu yoba komne tene remje ki ya lo ten lugdo sidu tene ta rembe ki ya do ne tene bana ke gashine kewa ne ta kaingo sipa ne tene lamba ne seba chene tene ya lugdo ki sudo done tene tabena lunjung ki sudo khwala ma trugo yor lugdo ki sudo khwala dogam tawasta tene dona tene juni gombal tene ta tene chige yores.
So in this way that they use the 12 interdependent connections to meditate upon, to again reverse and understand how we have been confused and how to reverse from that very confusion. When you go from top to bottom, from the ignorance towards the depth, then that explains about when you're contemplating or meditating. That explains about how we were confused to the ignorance, then the formation, name, and so forth. But if you go from bottom, from the depth, then the birth, then the possibility, and that of the going up to the ignorance, it goes back to reverse manner how to. Now I don't feel confident here. Then. Oh, I missed one thing actually. From the birth, chi wa ne do chi na chi je right.
Ta kan je rembe ya don ta kan jungni lungjung su do rembe ya
don ne ni mari pa le no
ta lo mari pa don ane mari pa thosen te ta kan ga do sro ba.
So you sort of reverse backwards. Very simple. If you reverse, if there's no death, then there's no birth, there's no existence, and there's no grasping, there's no clinging, there's no feeling, there's no development of the senses, and there's no formation and names, there's no consciousness, and there's no components, and there's no ignorance, and when there's no ignorance, liberation. So that is how you go backwards to meditate upon. Again, in order to go backward, you have to depend upon one each other. Not that you just simply go, when there's no death, there's no birth. So they are dependent. That's why they are known as 12 interdependent origination or connections.
다 택바 챔비오기 값잡지이나 그러반 근데 때나 택바 챔비오기 값수 건배거는 버드 간데지레스나 다 단다티 빼나다 년퇴더부지이나 때네 단다티 당매당 던저기 더 건발라 때네 때네 제단게 때네 나른진 바잠지 때네 매바 다 도구요레스 예나양 때네 가서오래 치송에게 요르다난 짐베게 셰바 순진 빼나 되게 단다 추에게 다티 차상 또 토고요 말에 대손자 인데 대또버 제발라 되네 택바 챔비고 검름데 때네 또 고고요래 택바 챔비고 검름데 가르스나 되네 또 되네 전주그 샘rum부지나 번이게 뉴해네 되네 잠닝제 전주그 샘rum부지게 뉴해네 되네 군접 전주그 샘나 로장네 되네 림기가 된담 전주그 샘 되네 깨버쳐버드레스.
So that is the manner or technique that applied by the lesser vehicle of the Savakayana and the Patikayana, meditating upon the selfless, and that of to refine to that very nature of the selfless, then meditating upon the 12 interdependent originations. However, with that sort of meditation, that the complete cutting off from the ego cleaning, particularly grasping or clinging to the outer objects, and the grasping and clinging to the inner mind cannot be really cut off or cannot be seized with that such a meditation, which is called as the Dharma self or phenomenal self. And one cannot really cut through the phenomenal self. Therefore, in the Mahayana tradition, that the manner to such cut through that whole clinging of the personal self and that of the phenomenal self, first cultivating the very bodhicitta,
또 되네 잠닝지 전주 그 셈 rumbuche 게 시체네 되네 전주 그 셈로 로존네 봐 군주 전주 그 셈로 로존네 되네 대단 냠돌라 되네 최 탐체 되네 정신 마주바 되네 텐드르게 나와임바 하고 송아 다 디캅슬라 오늘게 단단한 스티브 챔비 값시에베 텐드르 쓰게 여러봐 저 탐체 되네 텐드르게 정신임바 겁네 텐드르지 도용 겁발 때네 되네 다 너나 동번이게 도용 겁네 되네 동인인지 순주게 람라 때네 되네 된담 전주 그 셈디 깨버체네 단 너나 되네 디치게 여레스.
So based upon the very cultivation of the loving kindness and compassion, which is enlightened mind or bodhicitta, then in addition to that, one again trains one's mind to experience or realize the very emptiness, to understanding the relative truth, which is again based on the interdependence. It is not a 12 interdependent connection, but simply interdependence. And thereafter, to such understanding, based upon again the bodhicitta, that Mahayana system or tradition is that to actualize, experience the ultimate realization of bodhicitta in that sense.
Oh, this re, tene te indu, tene te la, tene tendes jane ta, jadang lam gombe ke rempata masuna tendes jane gomge yores. Tene te ta be gomba te la, tene zo ti ta 단단하나서 택바 제단 택바 숨가래 되네 사고바도 택바 챔비고 록라 되네 또 되네 람가 스탠디 샤요레스 아고소.
So in that way different vehicles approach or present the technique of the meditation, particularly that in the higher vehicle, although that all the three vehicles aims towards the same point, that in the Mahayana vehicle, that they have the different stage of realization is put into what is known as the 5 paths.
Tene lamnga syayores, lamnga gina lamnga de kanderesena, tene soglam, jorlam, tonglam, gomlam, melobelam stene lamnga syabres. Koso? Tene cholam sidu khansege yoresena lamnga shabare cholam sidu tene chetan ke tene tetabu ke tene 탐제 kimbe ge yishe senare chuni ge ngosum도 똑바로 제발라 tene 강게 되고 yoresena tene 단담 소디 tene 단다 다 마릭바세 그래 tene 뇨몽바 당 된제게 다 쓰는 마인베게 레게 드고요레 디손자 인두 대다비게 쓰는 마인베게 레 텔레 도버 제네 하고서 되네 도버 제네 다 dorna 다 촉람순데 촉사고 송고요 봐 디슨두 되네 다 된담베게 내로 도버 제발라 tene mixi sunam ji soda mime yishi ji so sabar cheba tela ta so sabe ge gone dubar cheba tela sonam sungu yores.
So therefore the 5 paths are the path of accumulation, path of unification, path of seeing, path of meditation, and path of no learning. Now what it really means by the path of accumulation is that again the reason why we are unable to recognize, unable to realize the ultimate nature at present is of course based upon that very ignorance that we talked earlier. Out of the very ignorance, the accumulation of the obscuration to the conflicting emotions, by again indulging ourselves into unvirtuous actions of the body, speech and mind that prevented us, obscured us from realizing the true nature of everything.
This one's Hindu, this one's tene tela tene tene tapena cholam gi kapsula tene ngoso tentambe ge nelu ndere stene tene to ha gogi yo mares yena yang tene bena töbadang 다 다가는 신기 텐데스 제윤도 tene 탐제 tentambe ge nelu 수든 ndere ji yimba asamne sem게 된지 잠지 하고 서 던지 사고 그러죠 샘게 다 는데 임반다 삼바지게 다 빼나 던지 잠지 시안에 되네 대 토반데베게 lö게 거네 되네 빼나 다 손남다 이시지 초람 배버 제바텔라 초람 세네스게 요아레스 다티 조드 간데레스나 되네 당보 택바 챔비게 람나 슈 장주조도 샘게반에 숭대 되네 다 멤버 찬주기 샘던 주버 찬주기 샘라 되네 다 사바텔라 다조 텔라 되네 초람 세네스게 요아레스.
So therefore that the unvirtuous actions or accumulation of the unvirtuous action has obscured our mind to realize the true nature of ourselves. So in order to now realize such true nature, simply the presenting that the true nature exists cannot be realized. One has to, the whole idea of the path of accumulation, meaning that you have to accumulate. What one needs to accumulate here is accumulate merit and wisdom. In a sense, how you accumulate such things is that again you have to reverse from accumulating unvirtuous action to the accumulating virtuous action. That is reversing. And in reversing, in accumulating the virtuous action, then as a positive action, which is the merit, which leads one to uncover the very obscurations of the conflicting emotion and thereafter get some sense of the instinct feeling that such possibility of the realization is there. With that instinct feeling, you also develop a strong determination towards the practicing, applying the meditation upon oneself, whereupon then one actually again applies the aspiration bodhicitta and perseverance bodhicitta upon oneself in addition to engaging in the virtuous actions which this gathers, accumulates the merit. So that is known as the path of accumulation.
Tene del tolam sigore. Tene de jesola niba jolams chevre. Tene jorwe lam sidu. Tene teta buke da tolam ge kapsula zo meba lamche sidu meba zamji chege yore mato. Tene da kasore ten tambege neluam. Tene da chuni ge ten di ngosumde da toguyo mare. Tene dos tene tolam la dos jangyong ge tene. Tene jolam ge kapsula. tene 당부 조남게 kapsula 다 티송아래 당부게 조남게 냠뇽디 저 생에 송야레스 하고송아 tene 저 세드 칸세게 열세나 tene 페나 메다마소나 tene pen 독스제네다 빼샤야 될랑아라도 젠댕기 싱 독스 다르용두 하고송아 젠댕 싱 다르용두 tene 메다 용구 예베게 따라 tene 저도마소나 용구를 봐어 틴나 싱키 tene 다 페나 조람라 테네 다 되네 당부 저 스드다 준이기 돼 당원숨도 또고요 말에 이나양 되네 또베게 다 가서 갈라 간zam게 되네 배나 샘게 삼바sam제 마이바 되네 샘게냐 배나 듀라 냠뇨다 마소나 용베게 되네 저도 용고요레스 하고서 저 당부티 송아 되네 텔라 때네 되네 렘베게 또 저려연드 다 무슨 조람 송고야 간송고요레스나 되네 배나 디값을 몇번쯤 많이봐. 근데 답에 산지가 공부 토벌 제 삼백 몇번쯤 많이봐. 근데 무슨 토벌라. 근데 조르와 무슨 주바 대송고요레스. 아고송아 대송도 근데 다 대조도 간송고요레스나. 근데 다다 군접 잔죽 셈짬제 마인바 근데 배나 대 군접 잔죽 다 가서 멤버 셈제든 주버 셈제게 땡돌라 근데 동반이기 돼 대독스 고미온데 동니닝제게 송죽이 거네 냠슬레 레용발 때네 다 배나 춘이기 돼 근데 똑발라 무슨 저와 녀와텔라 근데 저람 세네스기요레스.
The second is the path of unification. Now having the aspiration, motive in the path of accumulation, that path of unification is really you're actually unifying the very motivation, the inspiration or that aspiration towards the actualizing what you have the longing or motivated in earlier. So therefore, that in the path of the unification, according to the 4 yogas, it explains it is the sense of warmth that you experience here. Warmth in the sense, again, was not understood as a total, complete realization, but a warmth of the Dhammatta, a very much the example that is given in this very particular example that's given in this particular case is that if you try to rub
Tene ta somebody tonam sigyores. Tene tonam sidu ta somebody tonam sungyor. Tonam sidu khan sigyores na ta tonam ge kapsula tene chuni ge tönti ta ngosum도 통고요 송아래. 하고 송아 대손도 khan sigyores na tene 조 tene 대신메다 주루글 때네 덴바식 그봐. 덴바식에 tene tön라 때네 다 chuni 그 동무숨도 또 쓰도 근데 지난 그 최탐체 근데 랑심 마주베게 다 냠뇨디 뒤값으로 무슨 용고요. 됐어. 하고서 대손자 통남송 거베 좀 센티 다 chuni 그 동암 다 가서 오래 돈 담백에 내로디 뒤값 통화이 말라 때네 통남스전에 송아레스. 하고서 안에 벤타 당보 ben jolam ge kapsula ta jorwa chamjera tene jene chuni ge thö ta khasu gore tene la nyege yebe ge ta da masuna thö ta da tene su yung ge yore tene thonam ge kapsula tene chuni ta ngosum thongwa ta chinang ge chö tamche tene rangsin ma thuba tene tongbani yimba thö thongwa tala thonam sin sumres.
So the next path is the path of seeing. At the path of unification, that you gain some warmth of the phenomena or the Dhammatta. But in the path of seeing, the reason why it is known as seeing is here, that again applying the practice upon oneself with a tremendous determination and enthusiasm, based upon the 4 truths, and that of the 12 interdependent connection and so forth, that one actually now sees or experiences the true nature of the Dhammatta, or sees, actually experiences. And in seeing the true nature of the Dhammatta, one realizes now at this path that all phenomena, all Dhamma has no concrete substantial nature, as it is explained in all the other rest of the teaching. So since here one really gains the total insight of the emptiness nature of all Dhamma and phenomena, so to speak, so it becomes the path of seeing where you actually experience. So at that level or at that path of seeing, once the obscuration of the conflicting emotion is fully uprooted.
This tene ta chuni ge thong sum to thong se de de khan se ge yorasna senda chuni ge thong tong ban ye re se tamche nja tene bade ka se gore kunzo ge nawa tin zu kan ga me ba cha tong ba cha ne ti cha ba re se ge yo ma res yina ya ti kap so la thanda ngaran su ge tene gyule yebe ge tene taji ta khansa ge chu ji da se ya ji ba tene sunwe yor dan zimbe sheba sunzi ni sun zimbe ge tene to ba ti kap su shi ge yo res a ko so nga dela tene
So now the whole idea of realizing or seeing the Dhammatta, getting that experience, does not mean that everything disappears. Coming to understand the emptiness does not mean again things or phenomena simply disappears. But the whole idea of here at the path of seeing, the individual is able to actually recognize or realize the dhammata and that of the emptiness nature of all phenomena, means that, as we have explained earlier, that there are two selves, the phenomenal self and personal self. And the whole grasping to the idea of the existing of the phenomenal self, which is also that the idea of the clinging and grasping to the existing of the personal self is being totally cut off. That grasping to the idea of existing of personal and the phenomenal self is being cut off, and therefore, and just as explained earlier, the dualistic mind is being totally pacified, removed. The feeling of the self and other, the feeling of the subject and object is being now removed.
This songs are then take capsula that in this tamche then a star around to Venasamki, Ranale, lost Juba Mavis to Hakuyo.
That is the stage where one recognizes or realizes that there's nothing that is the difference, extra, separate from the mind.
Oh, this tela, then it tonams Genishawares.
Because of having recognized that, realized that this path is known as path of seeing.
Then that lam shivati, then a gomlam sigures. Then a gomlam sidu, cans sunguyoresena. Then a theta buki, then a tonam capsule tonga tea, then a tonga zamjiki, that a red sambatamjiki, then a penalty tando, then a temper top da, this say undo, then a tonam ne sunde, koalamata, banalunguyo mare, Hakosoma. Sunguyo mare, yenayang, then a tea tando, then a on the but that tires, then a tea capsula. That tela, then the Chanju Sembege, Saigo want to Chevayena, then the Satambura to Gawas, that is Yunguyor is.
So at this stage of the path of seeing, according to the Bodhisattva Yana, according to the relating this path of seeing with the bhumis, this is the first bhumi. The joyous one, the first bhumi.
Oh, teaching you, then it take capsula, then it been a candes yonsana, then it been a yundes some dimitaba cande yungu or sena, then it up in a satambu capsula, then it bed the singam yata zigla, then it sosuke, then it bed the Jubangene, then it's Sanjay Tamtel, Chipper Puto, but the Tela Sobegata, and the Yunde Jata Jungi Lasoba, that in the Sunyore, then it tends to Tamjeti capsula, then tell them.
So that's why that the fourth part is the path of meditation.
Then it take Handes Gene, Gomgoyor Sena, then it's so, then a paro to chimba, Tang, Tugam, Paro to chimba, Jula, Tene, Tatambo, Satambo, Jimbe Paro to Chimbatang, Nivala, Turimji Paro to Chimbatang, Sumbala Sube Paro to Chimbatang, Shivala, Tane, Tunjuji Paro to Chimba, Navala, Tane, something Paro to Chimba, Tubala, Sherab Paro to Chimba, Tene, the eating the top molam yish and Paro to Chimba, Juiki, La, Tene, Rimjik, Lamne, Tane, Sosuke, Tane, Gombekalam to Jogo, your race, and Jusen Bexat and Rumbashi.
So, how one applies that meditation to stabilize such an experience within oneself is really again applying the practice of the 6 perfection or 10 perfection or 10 paramita or 6 paramitas. In this manner, that the first paramita being the generosity, and
Tangbuk capsula, Parut Chindugo, Resta. Jimmy Parut Chimba, Satambuka capsule Parut. That's that Parut Chimba, that's a Jargo.
So each of the 10 paramitas are related to the each bhumi. So at the first bhumi, now we are trying to relate two things here together. the idea of the bhumi and the path. So
답변은 곰백 사텐도 매매 사텐도 드베 갑술라 곰남스 강 곰고고여서 바로도 쳔바 투텐도 레리신도 곰네 테네 텐도라 슬람네 테네 곰고고여레스.
So that what we have to meditate, now relating the path of meditation with the bhumis, is that we talked earlier that we have to make familiar with that very experience of the path of seeing. The manner to make ourselves familiar is applying meditation. What meditation are we applying here is that now relating with the first bhumi, you apply the path of what is known as generosity or perfection of generosity. In the second bhumi, you apply the perfection of discipline or morality. On the third, the patience. On the fourth, diligence. And the fifth, meditative concentration. And on the sixth bhumi, the wisdom. And on the seventh is the method or skillful means. And the eighth is the power or strength, which is translated according to the perfections or paramitas. And the ninth is the aspiration, and 10th is I would have to use here Sanskrit term, the jnana. The 10th is the jnana, primordial wisdom. So in English, I'm using always wisdom, two things. So here, the first one, according to Sanskrit, is the prajna. The last one, the 10th, is the jnana. So applying that your each perfection leads you to develop one bhumi, experience one bhumi, and that manner, that's why we need to meditate, to stabilize, to familiarize ourselves to the very experience that we had in the path of seeing. And thereafter, it is said in the teaching that simply having a glimpse, simply having met, does not mean you are familiar with. You must make yourself familiar with that you have contacted with. So in the sense of the path of seeing, that you have very much experienced, glimpse of that ultimate realization, but you have to make that stabilize such to all this applying of the meditation of the 10 paramitas upon oneself.
Tendres tene ta gombe ke lamsong res tene thartu ki tene ta gombe ke ta thonlam gomlam na tene melobe lamsong de tene gomlam ke tene ta thonlam ke yishiti kapsu chungwe ke yishiti tene ngondo churbe matse tene gomlam na tene tempa thopne tene bana thartu 다 양다고 저거 산지가 공부하는 비 토바텔라 멜로베 람스도 타지도 다 섭지 매바 가야 섭이야 매바 숨고요. 그래 멜로베 람 근데 다 가는 사이도 원도 세바이나 다 베나 사축지 군도 왜스네 근데 센단 너나 다 산지가 공부하스네 근데 티캅스네 토바스네 숨고요. 그래서 근데 인도 다 근데 전에 다 베나 검림 다 근데 공부고요. 그래서 다 간세
So as often that the path of seeing, when you apply the practice, meditation of the path of meditation in applying the 10 paramitas, developing oneself from the first bhumi to the 10th bhumi, in applying each of the perfection or paramita, then as the virtuous action lead you to experience the fifth path, which is known as path of no learning. Because here you have fully developed to enlightenment, actualize what is known as Buddhahood. So there is no development, no learning necessary, so that's why this path, fifth path, is known as path of no learning. in accordance or relating with the Bhumi. This is the 11th Bhumi, which is the complete luminosity, the Bhumi, or the stage of the complete luminosity, which is the total enlightenment.
this chene ta ngaranzo tekba chembyo ham ta ke sachu lam ngas chene ta na sanam gerin bet this chene ta godu chinge this sheveres ta this chene tene ta tsawe ke tare gindi kapsula ta bene tanda karsa di ta sheje kunjam zu kinane tene sheya ji imba sonza ta ngege ta zo tene ta sapa sum la ten sum la jarne tene bene sheje kunjam zu kran sumbare tene singin dordu ji tene shebares tene zawe ge sheje kunjam zu tela tene ta leoda masuna cheba yina tene ta sheje kunjam zu segobe jumsende tunda kharasena tene sheje kunjam zu di khonsu mandu beke tene ta bena ta church zawani mebare the kanjes mebare sena tenyang tene bena nangbasan ngaranzo sanje chözamje mayimba tene di khonsula tene bena rigne re dagana shinge tene nangbe ki chö tene 상마 만두바 mebare 하고송아 대송자 sheja 탐제 꾸는 캡송거야 캡세야 준세데 다디 khonsu 만두베게 다 shejam 다 she 가야 mebare 대송자 tende 인도 tende tela zo liu ge wang de chebe yina zo zhuyo re sta tang bu ji tende xie da.
So we have explained very briefly about the 5 paths and that of the 10 Bhumi. Relation between the 5 paths and that of the 10 Bhumi. In accordance with, based upon the book, the sacred textbook, which is known as the Pervasive Treasury of Knowledge. The reason why this book has such a title as the Pervasive Treasury of Knowledge is that within this book, within this very much teaching, there's nothing that is not included in this teaching that exists within all the phenomena. So since there's nothing that is not included in this teaching,
Temba lungdoni tene somba tela tene 제단계 tene sanje kandes chömbada somba delan jigdenji kamdela 조그 sanje 점된데지 숭배기 최대 제대로 다와다 하고송아 tene temba sanje temba lungdoni 춘내 퇴섬 검나르면 저왜 tene 시바 tela tene 다나 수름디 tene 제단계 라바 수름디 라바다 가장 안주 시에바나시 소중아 숨지게 tene 돈바디 dombe시에요래 tene 출네 tene ngaba tela tene chuta ribe게 네 탐체 시에요레스 하고송아 르네게 코르상마 다 다르발라소베 르네 상마 하고송아 tene chu바 tela tene 퇴베게 시라게 값을 어레다 출네 스도다 간데서 tene chu바데 시라게 값을 라 tene 퇴백 시라고 값 퇴백의 값을라 되네 저 되네 가라서 남백을 좀더 첨부 시당 되네 하고도 되네 다 너나 퇴백을 상마디 되나 시 하고송아 되네 디제솔라 되네 되네 곰름 상마시 하고송아 되네 대기 제솔라 가인 거 촌내 투삼 검나름 저왜 되네 람드 되네 다가나 신게 되네 다주도다 가서 오래 택바람 숨가게 게 되네 사람 남샤게 거당 되네 다도 레부체는 너나 되네 다 당보 직된지 감차소네 송데 되네 타르도 조베 산지게 공부하는 bet에 마톱지 바르도게 되네 되네 실람 레숨게 남샤 상마디 세전도 디콘스 누구요레스 된데스 전에다 다 레지션에 디 리우트 땡금면도 된데스 전단 도나 되네 리우쭈 된데스 요레 리우쭈 테레라 되네 갑 시시시 체는 도나 다 십시 담아 요레스 된데스 인도 되네 디 탐지게 맞아봐 요 말에.
So, just briefly, that the first chapter deals with the information or explanation of the formation of our world. This phenomena. And
Tene songde start session kasar.
no, so
Oh yeah, no just.
and second sort of the chapter explains about the coming of the Buddha upon descending of the Buddha upon our world, explanation upon such. And the third, it explains about the how he expounded, how he developed, how he taught the teaching. How he taught the teaching. And the fourth chapter deals in again the learning of the discipline, which we talked before, particularly the 3 vows and so forth. And in the 5th chapter, it talks about the 5 sciences, art, healing, and so forth. And the 6th, it talks about the prajna, again learning of the wisdom or that of the prajna. Again, that within this prajna chapter, it explains about the coming of the 4 great schools, of how they view, how they approach, and how they present the nature of the emptiness through different idea of the schools.
That's all
Particularly based upon the very view. And in the 7th chapter, it deals about the stages of the meditation. And the 8th chapter, it explains about the 3 vehicles or yanas, and that of the also the path and fruition of the 3 vehicles. And in short, that all this from the beginning of the world toward the how to experience the total enlightenment, that the pervasive treasure of knowledge explains everything from the path, ground, and fruition, and from the even the ordinary worldly science towards the complete understanding of the emptiness. And so that too, this 10th chapter, which again subdivided into 4 each, becoming 40 sort of chapter, so it explains all the things inside here.
Tende ta ngana su inchike le yungres tene ngarange ta charanzu tanda taba ton yore tene nge tanda warana sela sanji ge chungru ko we ne tela tene tende stene ta chuto gomja satang tene tagana singi chu ko lobjon chesa yebaji tende stene 직 sogu yos te indu tene tela tene to tene lobjon cheya de tene shese kunjam zodi tende stene ta charanzu chudungwe sangma tene 유rum부 좀 맡으나야 tene that's lokashi lobjon cheya this chene tende sre te charanzu rege haku kres tene togon tende stete kranz tuanda yuna marwe.
So the very venerable Kalu Rinpoche is actually working upon to translate this very book, which is the pervasive treasury of knowledge, and out of there came as known as the encyclopedia of knowledge instead of the pervasive. So you can reject what I translated, and they have a better collection of translated there. And in having such a translation would be quite helpful to all of you to furthermore learn the very subject that we are dealing tonight. And not only that, Rinpoche wants to express that he himself is trying to organize something in Varanasi. This is the place where Buddha turned the wheel of Dharma, the first wheel of Dharma, and a sort of institute, also a meditation center, where people can develop both learning and meditation. And upon that, Rinpoche wants to express that he has a tremendous wish that all his students who come there will study this Sheja Kunchap, the pervasive treasury of knowledge, and thereafter really understand or develop a better learning of all phenomena in general and particularly Buddhism. And that is very much a hope for your better development of meditation as well as the insight of the knowledge through this providing such learning.
Tene chedange shung chenpo drabuta oma seya da ngomba tanda tendes mangbu yores. Tene tenzu shung chenpo de lobjon chego chuna. Tene yamena 벽에 타 쥐어버지 시험버지다 야면은 다 롬 망부지 롭전 제고야지 레스. 근데 세제 군점 전 잡으지나 이나 tene 배나 tenzu 탐지기 düdün 닝부 düdün이 코란 베 가서 고래고 다 düdün 상문 dü샤버지 레스. 텐데 때네 다 마음발 다 텐데 롭전 chen 펜바 용가랑 그러와 인스 된 좋아 간다.
The main reason why I plan to teach the pervasive knowledge, treasury of knowledge, is that it has all the teaching as explained that is necessary to know. If one try to concentrate in learning other volumes or teachings such as the Madhyamika, Abhidhamma, and of other logics, that in order to learn study such textbook, one has to first really master the language of Tibetan. So in order not to discourage the student from such, that providing the teaching upon this pervasive treasure of knowledge, which indeed has all the information of the Madhyamika, Abhidhamma and logic, one does not have to go through the depth of mastering the very language of Tibetan. So with that hope, I plan to organize something that will provide you the very knowledge of Buddhism and that of also experience of meditation in the future.